Everyone, our key to these, £60 in this. Said it before, they don't take more than £60 at a time, which is a bit weird. It's going to be 100 in. I'm gonna see what happens. Never had the pot on that. That wheel from Hideous Slots did, and they've taken the repeat off. So we'll see how this goes, and I'll see you in a minute with some kind of bonus, hopefully. Let's watch this gamble. There we go. First bonus had 300 in, so this bonus costs 270. 12 could be good. This game's a bit slower than the Fortune Favours the Brave. Not sure why, it's not smooth, it takes longer to load as well. Oh, that on the big multiplier, that would have been massive. Didn't really want it then. Haven't had any dings, have I? Don't think I'll get them now. Don't waste a spin. Oh, what a waste. Whoa. 64. It's only 3 gambles, isn't it? 122.45. Yeah. Bonus number 2, it's had £500. Nothing happening really. It's up to you. 12 again. The highest it gambled is actually from that last 3 spins bonus. I think it went to 120, didn't it? Come on, big win there. What a waste. What a waste of a multiplier. Rubbish, isn't it? Oh boy. Bonus number 3. I did that one, let's do that one. It's had about 600. So now I'm in a bit of a dilemma because it's the compensated game. I kind of like to push them a bit. But, you know, it's hard to back out at a certain point. Let's go for scratch cards really. Oh, that's a good win. Yeah, 15. See a re-trigger. Come on, don't waste these. Anything? Exactly £100. That's a 120. Doesn't need to change the odds on the first. Come on, Puma. And in the green half of the moon. Shithead. Well, I've been here before. And our little puma. Not a victory because it's had about 700. I'll do the tally in a minute. Let's try and get some scratchies. I'll try for 4, £32. I need 2 gambles. Get no gambles. I might actually go for 4. Maybe not. I'll go down to 550. I might give up playing this. It's quite a laggy game as well. I don't know if the phone's picking it up like that, but it seems to use more resources than fortune favours the brave. That's enough. Well, I am actually going to go for this one now. This one's a lot smoother. I think they may have taken the repeat chance off it, but hopefully we'll find out. I'll see you in a minute again with something, hopefully something. Watch this. Don't be greedy, let's go for 400. Oh, I got my book bonus and it cost £24. Pot 12. This one always pretends there's pots in the other books. That other one, Amazon Dreams, didn't seem to do it as much. Go on. Ding it across. Don't waste it. I'll use it. What a waste. Disconnect. 58.64. And yeah, 20 quid, I could be 100 up on this. The terminals had 800, by the way. I had a count. I don't know if I said it a minute ago. Interesting. £24 for a jackpot. That's better. Does it auto pay? No, it doesn't. Good. Ha! Don't know what to play now. Should have just gone on that. Would have been uploads. Hindsight and whatnot. Actually, let's leave. Right, that collected out eventually. I'm 200 up. I'm going to play this for a little bit. I'll do a total balance at the end. Not much happens on it, and there's no gamble on it either, so hopefully I'll get a pot bonus. I think I'll just give it £60. See what happens. And if not, there's some dual game I want to play. Let's do one for that.
See you next time.
And now, what's it called? Dual something. Jackpot jewels. Gamble on that. 50 win lines. Let's try this a bit. We need three of those symbols. Pretty sure you can't gamble for 3 spins. Is that enough for a gamble? Yeah. Whoa, 29? Oh, it's only this. All them diamonds. Yeah. Can I do it? Yeah, I'm right. Quite quiet this terminal. This game is anyway. Start, what's it do? Oh yeah, builds up some stuff. Every win, I think. So that will add 1 on there, yeah. There we go, we should be able to get it all in. Let's move back a sec. Ah, those diamonds are worth loads. Those guys. Come on, connect. I expect just 1 re-trigger would be Jackpot. Last spin. Make it a good one. Oh yeah, and all those are nice. I think the bonus on that's always good. Heart Bank. What do we have? 154. Gamble 38. Banks 15. $40 up on this terminal. 50 pence. Let's do 1 for luck. 1 extra luck. Yeah. I couldn't find something else. See, fucking mad. A £5 win on this. Does a spinny wheel. Some of the other stuff I want to play, and Miles will play it on a newer terminal. They look better. So we need 3 of them. Or a £5 win. That's a £10 win. Stars 12. That's fine. We'll both exchange. The wild stick. So potentially a really good bonus. We get a good amount of spins and a good amount of wilds. Middle real wild would be good. That's going to be 4 of a kind at least every spin. How much is that dog? £5. We need a wild there, definitely. She doesn't care. Go on, do a wild in the middle. Last spin. Decent bonus. Bit of a crap at the last one. 80. I'm tempted to go through a black. Should I just do it? It's close. Oh no. The greedy there. It's because of that jewel one. Stay on this a while. I'm going to leave this terminal in a sec. I haven't had anything since that last game. So this will be it. Oh, here we go. Go on then. £20. That's enough of you. That's enough of that. I'll see you in a minute on a different game. I've changed terminal, I've loaded this up. Pots are fairly high on here. I'm going to put the 100 in, which is the last of the profits. That stake. We need 3 doors. Or that thing can close and give a pot. With those cookies. Oh, £21. Am I chasing blacks on here? Let's do it. Go for a double black. I think if I'd just been betting red, I'd be doing really well. Oh yeah, we got a pot. Just do a major, please. Oh, we got one of each. Minor, don't want that. Oh, minus 100 quid. Definitely don't want a mini. Crap. Came in quite quick. Just bet red. The uploads. Let's just put in another 100 in. It's only had 40. It's done a £48 win. I did have a double black. That was from 6 to 12 and then it lost, so I probably didn't bother showing that. I need it on the big ones. Got a bonus. Let's put another 100 in. I will be 300 down with this now. I did want to try the really low one. Let's go for really high first and then maybe try for the really low and see how that compares. Worth a lot. Needs to connect. Oh, 10's nearly made it. I want 10's, want that? Yeah. £40, so it's £20 a line. And get cluster. Come on, come on. Yeah, 160. Good. I assume you can get the pots in there as well. 2 left. Come on, last one. £220. I've got 30 in the bottom to make 300. Gamble. I'm going to stay on it now. I might try and get a pot again. I'm going to put that 30 in as well. And this number 2, I put the extra 30 in, so it said exactly 300. I was going to go for that. That's how many are on the reels. Not sure what they're worth. Should I have a look, see what they're worth? I wonder if it times out on anything. So max bet that. Info, £3.60 or £20. Not worth going for that, is it? Let's just go for the big one. Yeah, good. Just keep doing that. Yes. Definitely go for the big one. Same again. Go on. 2 left. No, don't waste it. 1 more, come on. Come on. Yes. 370. Will it let me bank some? Yeah. I've been chasing that black for ages, haven't I? Good win, but these gambles, man, they're... Oh, I'm 120 up again. I was 200 up. Another bonus. Am I just going for you? May as well, it's on a good one. I know it can do nothing. Hopefully it won't. It's 20. Come on. Oh, not that rubbish. Oh, it's not even going on the first reel. Shit. Good. What's that, 60? I've been chasing red for about, black I mean, for about 10. At least 10. Right, I've lost loads chasing that black. Do it on the low, better than nothing, I guess. Just rolled in that, look. Shame didn't connect. That is the blacks from that last gamble. So I'm £33 in profit, plus these 2 blacks. Plus that 1 black. Right, 120 in profit. Forever chasing these pots now. Probably only give me 20 quid if it comes in. I was going to stay on, chase a pot, but I'm going to leave it. Call it an end to the video. Yeah, I'm going to leave that. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Started off slow. I've been playing over an hour, but content-wise, those first 2 games didn't give too much content. But I'll see you later. Thanks very much for watching. 100 profit. I'll see you later. Bye.